Welcome to Yosemite National Park, a place of towering granite cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and giant sequoia trees. Before we start, please like and subscribe our channel. This natural wonderland, located in California's Sierra Nevada mountains, draws millions of visitors each year. Get ready to be amazed by its beauty. Prepare to be challenged by its trails. Yosemite is more than just a park, it's an experience. Yosemite has something for everyone. Whether you're an experienced hiker or a first-time visitor, you'll find something to amaze you. Take a scenic drive, hike to a waterfall, or simply relax and soak in the views. Yosemite is a place to disconnect from the everyday and reconnect with nature. It's a place to challenge yourself and create lasting memories. So, pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and let's explore the wonders of Yosemite National Park. Are you ready for an adventure? Let's go! Yosemite Valley is the most famous part of the park. This glacial valley is only 1 mile wide and 7 miles long. But don't let its size fool you, it's packed with iconic sights. Look up and you'll see the iconic Half Dome, a granite dome rising nearly 5,000 feet above the valley floor. Turn your head and you'll spot El Capitan, a sheer rock face popular with climbers. And don't forget Yosemite Falls, one of the tallest waterfalls in North America. You can explore Yosemite Valley on foot, by bike, or by car. There are easy trails for families and challenging hikes for experienced adventurers. No matter how you choose to explore, Yosemite Valley is sure to leave a lasting impression. Take your time, soak in the views, and let the beauty of Yosemite Valley wash over you. Yosemite is famous for its waterfalls. They cascade down sheer granite cliffs, creating a symphony of sound and a breathtaking spectacle. Yosemite Falls is the most famous, dropping a total of 2,425 feet. Hike to the top for stunning views or feel the mist on your face from the base. Don't miss Bridal Fall, a delicate waterfall that seems to float in the wind. Venture further to discover Vernal Fall and Nevada Fall. These powerful waterfalls are accessed by challenging but rewarding hikes. Each waterfall in Yosemite has its own unique beauty. Be sure to see them all. Half Dome and El Capitan are two of Yosemite's most recognizable landmarks. These granite giants dominate the skyline and inspire awe in all who see them. Half Dome, with its distinctive shape, is a challenging but rewarding hike. Permits are required, so plan ahead. El Capitan, a sheer rock face, is a mecca for rock climbers around the world. Even if you're not a climber, you can appreciate the skill and courage it takes to scale this massive wall. These granite giants are symbols of Yosemite's grandeur. They remind us of the power of nature and the insignificance of man. Trails of Wonder hiking in Yosemite. Yosemite National Park is a hiker's paradise. With over 800 miles of trails, there's something for everyone. Hike to the top of Yosemite Falls for breathtaking views. Take a leisurely stroll along the Merced River. Challenge yourself with a multi-day backpacking trip. No matter your skill level, you'll find a trail to suit you. Remember to be prepared. Bring plenty of water, snacks, and layers of clothing. Let someone know your plans and check the weather forecast before you go. Happy hiking! Beyond the valley, exploring Yosemite's hidden gems. While Yosemite Valley is the most popular area of the park, there's much more to see beyond its iconic walls. Head to Tuolumne Meadows, a high-elevation meadow with stunning views of the surrounding peaks. Hike to the top of Sentinel Dome for panoramic views, or take a dip in Tenaya Lake. Visit Mariposa Grove, home to over 500 mature giant sequoia trees. These gentle giants are the largest living things on Earth. Don't miss Glacier Point, offering breathtaking views of Yosemite Valley, Half Dome, and Yosemite Falls. Yosemite is full of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Adventures for everyone, from biking to stargazing. Yosemite isn't just about hiking. There are plenty of other ways to enjoy the park. Rent a bike and explore the valley floor. Go rock climbing with an experienced guide. Join a ranger program and learn about the park's history, geology, and wildlife. Take a photography tour and capture the beauty of Yosemite on film. As night falls, Yosemite transforms into a stargazer's paradise. Far from city lights, the night sky explodes with stars. Join a stargazing tour or simply spread out a blanket and enjoy the show. Planning your trip tips for a seamless Yosemite experience. Planning a trip to Yosemite? Here are a few tips to make your trip as smooth as possible. Book accommodations and camping reservations in advance, especially if you're visiting during peak season. Purchase a park pass online to save time at the entrance gate. Pack for all types of weather, as conditions can change quickly in the mountains. Bring plenty of water and snacks, as food options inside the park can be limited and expensive. Most importantly, be patient. Yosemite is a popular park and crowds are to be expected. Take your time, enjoy the scenery, and remember that the journey is part of the adventure. Where to stay? From rustic campsites to historic lodges, Yosemite offers a variety of lodging options, from rustic campsites to historic lodges. For a truly memorable experience, book a stay at the Ahwahnee Hotel. This grand hotel, built in 1927, offers stunning views and luxurious accommodations. Yosemite Valley Lodge and Curry Village offer more affordable options. Camping is a popular choice in Yosemite, but campsites fill up quickly. Reserve your spot online well in advance. Whether you're looking for luxury or a rustic experience, you'll find the perfect place to stay in Yosemite. Fueling your adventure, dining in Yosemite. After a long day of hiking, you'll work up an appetite. Yosemite offers a variety of dining options to satisfy your hunger. Enjoy a fine dining experience at the Ahwahnee Dining Room. Grab a casual meal at Degnan's Kitchen, or visit Yosemite Valley Lodge Food Court. Stock up on groceries at the Yosemite Village store. Remember that food options inside the park can be limited and expensive. Consider packing a cooler with snacks and drinks. Don't forget to pack out what you pack in. Leave no trace, protecting Yosemite's beauty. Yosemite National Park is a treasure that belongs to everyone. Help protect it for future generations by following Leave No Trace principles. Pack out all trash and waste. Stay on designated trails to avoid damaging vegetation. Leave rocks, plants, and other natural objects where you find them. Keep a safe distance from wildlife. Be respectful of other visitors. By doing your part, you can help keep Yosemite beautiful for years to come. Please like, subscribe, and share our video. As you explore the breathtaking landscapes and hidden treasures of Yosemite, take a moment to reflect on the spirit of this incredible place. Yosemite is more than just a park. It's a sanctuary where nature's beauty and tranquility come together to inspire and rejuvenate the soul. From the towering sequoias to the roaring waterfalls, every corner of Yosemite tells a story of resilience and wonder. Imagine the generations before us who have walked these trails, stood in awe of these vistas, and felt the same sense of peace and connection that you do now. It's a legacy that transcends time, a reminder of our shared responsibility to preserve this natural wonder for those who will come after us. As you pack up your memories and prepare to leave, remember that Yosemite is always here, waiting to welcome you back. Whether it's your first visit or your 100th, the spirit of Yosemite will always be with you, a timeless reminder of the beauty and power of the natural world. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. Your support helps us continue to bring you the wonders of places like Yosemite. Until next time, keep exploring and protecting the natural world.